Welcome to Review Rumble. The best face mask kit is probably one of the most sought-after skincare essentials for anyone looking to achieve a radiant and healthy complexion from the comfort of their own home, offering a luxurious and effective way to pamper your skin and address various concerns like hydration, exfoliation, and purification. This comprehensive set typically includes everything you need for a complete facial treatment, making it an ideal choice for both beginners and seasoned skincare enthusiasts who desire professional-level results without the salon price tag, ultimately contributing to a smoother, clearer, and more revitalized appearance. Number 5. GLAM Up Korean Facial Sheet Mask 12-Pack. Discover the secret to a luminous complexion with our hydrating sheet masks. Achieve that coveted glass skin look effortlessly. Specially formulated for sensitive and dry skin, these masks provide deep hydration without irritation. Experience soothing comfort with every use. Elevate your skincare routine with authentic Korean beauty secrets. These masks deliver essential nutrients for a healthy, glowing appearance. Looking for the ideal gift? These masks make wonderful presents for Easter, stocking stuffers, or a thoughtful spa gift set. Give your skin the moisture it craves. Our masks plump and revitalize, leaving your face feeling soft, supple, and refreshed. Indulge in a spa-like experience at home. Transform your skin and boost your confidence with this luxurious 12-pack. What we like? Achieve that coveted glass skin look with this hydrating set. It's specifically designed for sensitive and dry skin types. If you are looking for intense hydration and a dewy finish, this is the perfect choice for your self-care routine. What people say. The mask is easy to apply and remove, leaving skin feeling refreshed and smooth. This kit includes all the necessary tools for a spa-like facial experience at home. The ingredients are gentle and suitable for sensitive skin types, without causing irritation. Number 4. ZealSea 7-Day Facial Sheet Mask Set. Unveil radiant skin with our 7-Day Facial Sheet Mask Set. Designed for deep hydration, it's your daily ritual for a healthy glow. Elevate your self-care routine with these nourishing masks. Perfect for a moment of relaxation and rejuvenation, anytime you need it. Looking for a thoughtful gift? This set is ideal for birthdays and special occasions, bringing joy to teens, kids, and girls alike. Create lasting memories with our sheet mask set. It's a wonderful way for the whole family to enjoy a pampering session together. Experience the benefits of deep hydration and a radiant complexion. Our formula is safe and effective for all skin types. Replenish your skin's moisture and vitality with our specially curated masks. Achieve a smoother, more supple feel after just one use. What we like? Experience a week of diverse skincare with this variety set. Each mask focuses on deep hydration and achieving a radiant glow. If you enjoy trying different formulations for daily self-care or want to share a family moment, this set offers a delightful experience for all skin types. What people say. The mask is easy to apply and remove. It leaves the skin feeling soft and hydrated. The kit includes all the necessary tools for application. Number 3. FACETORY K Beauty Everyday 8 Collection Sheet Mask Set. Introducing the Everyday 8 collection from FACETORY K Beauty. This set features 8 premium Korean sheet masks designed for all skin types. Experience the power of natural ingredients sourced directly from Korea. Each mask is crafted to provide a luxurious and effective skincare treatment. Our masks are formulated without sulfates or parabens, ensuring a gentle yet effective approach to skincare. You can feel good about what you're putting on your skin. With 8 masks in this collection, you have a perfect option for each day of the week, plus one extra. Enjoy a consistent routine for radiant skin. Elevate your self-care routine with these premium sheet masks. Achieve a healthier, more radiant complexion with regular use. This set is your all-in-one solution for achieving beautiful skin. Treat yourself or gift this amazing collection to someone special. What we like? This collection offers a natural, premium Korean skincare experience for everyday use. It's formulated without sulfates or parabens, making it gentle for all skin types. If you prioritize clean ingredients and a consistent, high-quality routine, this set is an excellent option. What people say. This mask kit is amazing. It comes with everything you need to do a full facial at home. The masks are easy to apply and remove, and they leave your skin feeling soft and smooth. I love that this kit includes a brush for applying the masks, which makes it much less messy. Number 2. Freeman 14-piece Love to Mask Variety Pack. Discover your perfect facial treatment with our 14-piece variety pack. It's designed to cater to all skin types, offering a solution for every concern. Whether you need to hydrate dry skin, detoxify pores, or clear up blemishes, this collection has you covered. Achieve a refreshed and revitalized complexion effortlessly. Gently exfoliate away dead skin cells with the included scrub. It helps to reveal smoother, brighter skin underneath for a truly radiant glow. Enjoy a comfortable masking experience with the bonus headband. The skin buffer is perfect for enhancing your skincare routine and achieving professional results at home. Feel good about your skincare choices. All the masks in this set are proudly cruelty-free and vegan, so you can pamper your skin responsibly. What we like? Explore a wide range of mask benefits with this extensive variety pack. It caters to all skin types, offering hydration, detoxification, and clarifying. If you are looking for a comprehensive masking experience that is also cruelty-free and vegan, and appreciate the added bonus of accessories, this is a fantastic value. What people say. This mask kit is very easy to use and the results are amazing. I love how the mask makes my skin feel so soft and smooth. The design of the kit is very convenient for travel. Number 1. JPNK New Facial Mask Bowl Set. Discover the ultimate DIY facial mask experience with our all-in-one mixing kit. Create personalized skincare treatments in the comfort of your own home. This comprehensive set includes everything you need to craft your perfect clay mask. Enjoy a spa-like treatment anytime, anywhere. Designed for simplicity, our kit makes mask preparation effortless. Cleanup is just as easy, so you can focus on glowing skin. With 6 individual bowls, you can experiment with different ingredients and recipes. Tailor your masks to your skin's unique needs. Surprise the skincare enthusiast in your life with this thoughtful and practical gift. It's a unique way to elevate their self-care routine. Transform your skincare routine and achieve a natural, radiant complexion. Our kit empowers you to take control of your skin's health. What we like? Unleash your inner esthetician with this DIY clay mask mixing kit. It allows you to customize your own masks for a personalized spa experience at home. If you enjoy the process of creating your own skincare and want to experiment with different clay formulations, this set is perfect for you. What people say. This mask is very effective for deep cleansing and pore minimizing. The kit includes a variety of masks suitable for different skin types, offering great versatility. Easy to use and apply, the mask leaves the skin feeling refreshed and smooth. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.